Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Xbox One S. Wait 1 full minute so residual charge dissipates. Next, remove the 2 rear screws with a Torx T8 or T10 driver. Keep them in a labeled tray. Once done, lift the rear plastic panel from the bottom edge using a plastic pick. Pry slowly to avoid clips. Make sure to work on a flat, static-safe surface, because steady placement prevents slips and missing fasteners. You now slide the top cover backward roughly 5 mm to free the front clips. This small shift is crucial so clips align and release smoothly. Then, run a plastic spudger along the left and right seams, releasing side clips one at a time. Work symmetrically to avoid bending plastic. If you see ribbon cables, stop and gently disconnect them by lifting the latch. Do not pull. Transitional patience here prevents broken tabs and saves reassembly headaches later. You can lift the front edge of the top cover upward and then swing it off toward the rear. Place it on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Before fully separating, inspect inside for any hidden screws or remaining clips. Missed fasteners are the usual cause of jams. If the cover remains stuck, double-check screw bays, then apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften plastic or use thin tape on a pick to protect edges. This tip fixes stubborn clips without damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.